I've had a cordial interaction with EACC. This is not the first time that we are collaborating with EACC. In 2022, we had a collaboration to look at our systems and processes, a report that we are implementing at the moment. On this matter, EACC invited me. This is an independent commission, as you are aware, and I came because of that invitation to come and shed light on the projects that are ongoing at the university. So we've had a very nice interaction. We have clarified issues, and we say thank you to them for that opportunity to clarify whatever issues that were there. So secondly, I would want to welcome you to the university one of these fine days so that we interact more. So we'll be sending an invitation to the press to visit the universities. Thank you so much.